you tired of feeling sluggish and battling those stubborn extra pounds? What if I told you there's a delicious way to completely reset your body in just 21 days? That's right. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the game-changing 21-day Smoothie Reset, a simple, powerful plan designed to kickstart your metabolism, detox your system, and leave you feeling absolutely incredible. Forget bland diet food and endless cravings, prepare for a tasty revolution that genuinely works. We've all been there, dragging through the day, hitting that afternoon slump, and feeling frustrated when the scale won't budge. It feels like you're doing everything right, but your body just won't cooperate, right? The truth is, our modern diets often leave us starving for vital nutrients, slowing down our entire system. This 21-day Smoothie Reset isn't just about shedding pounds, it's about nourishing your body from the inside out. We're talking about vibrant fruits, leafy greens, and protein powerhouses blended into delicious, easy-to-digest meals that fuel you without weighing you down.